2 minutes. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody, and baby. Crypto.com just listed the Crow with Knife token. It's crazy. Guys, we've been talking about this token since it started. I was an early buyer on this coin. Talked about it increasingly more. I got no sponsorships, no affiliations with the dev, with the project. I'm just a buyer. I'm a holder. I'm a supporter of the Cronos ecosystem. This was by far and large the most successful meme coin that has been launched next to Corgi AI on Cronos. And I think we're just getting started, to be honest with you guys. A lot of volatility on an exchange listing day, but yes, this is real news, guys. This is a fact. And to all the people that were doing comments, when I first talked about how I sold some Crow coins for Crow with Knife, I got a lot of criticism and it made me think, you know, what am I doing here? I'm gambling on meme tokens. But you know crypto, and people like meme coins in crypto. And if you buy a coin before an exchange listing, well then you can reap some very beautiful rewards. And to anybody out there that's been paying attention and took a chance, gambled on the Crow with Knife meme and saw the strength of the community, congratulations to you. You're probably making tremendous amounts of money today. Overnight, guys, my portfolio grew tremendously. My portfolio my portfolio grew tremendously overnight because of the Crow with Knife token. So needless to say, I am very excited about it. And let's talk a little bit about this coin today. We have 58 viewers. We have 14 likes, and I'm going to need to see some more likes. So smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I told you so. I told you so. I told you so about Crow with Knife. You have to do your own research. You have to pick your own picks. But I told you guys this thing was big. It was destined to get on Crypto.com. In my mind, you can't say 100% on anything, but here we are. It's listed. Now, this is going to be a Crow with Knife stream. So that's it. That's what I'm focusing on in this stream entirely. Let's talk a little bit about it. Bitcoin's down today, and so are a lot of coins. You look at what's going on right now, and we've got a couple coins that are up 4 or 2%, but mostly big losers today, with the exception of Crow with Knife was up here. It should be on Crypto.com price. I think it's got to refresh here. You will see that Crow with Knife is one of the top trending tokens up today, somewhere in here. There it is. There it is. It was highlighted at the beginning. 139% gains overnight, guys. 139% gains overnight on the crypto.com price. This thing is not even getting highlighted on crypto.com yet. It's just not yet. Eventually, I think it can. Eventually, I think it will. But it's just not getting hosted on here yet. No, not yet. But I think eventually we are potentially going to see it up here. Hopefully, we'll see how it plays out. But for those of you guys that are newer and, and Ethan Burke, shout out to you. I'm glad you're making money. Benny Blue Eyes, shout out to you. Shout out to all the members and shout out to everybody saying Benny Blue Eyes got into this coin. Servando Estrada got into this coin. AD holding 29 billion costs in 7 zeros. I'm up $1,000. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. Why is everyone selling? Says some folks. Not going to lie, I'm super tempted to take profits. I hate a crash after a pump. Yeah, you know what? I mean, taking profits isn't a bad thing. I'll talk about what my strategy is, though, just in case you guys are curious what I'm doing, as I do hold a lot of these tokens. Kip, you made me reach. It was you who convinced me. Oh, Mark. Oh, good. Well, I'm glad it's working out. Secure your own profits. You got to take your own risks, my friends. But here's the story. And It's Wade is asking, what color Lambo am I getting? Why wouldn't I get all the colors? You know what I'm saying? No Lambos for me. But let's listen to this real quick. So yesterday, look, guys, just so you know, I've been talking about these. Now, yesterday, I did a video and just listen to some of the things that I said in this video, okay? I'm going to play one of my clips just to kind of show you guys I told you so. Once this liquidity, guys, is all of a sudden up to $2 million, and they already hold this liquidity, guys. So the DIP team and VVS already hold this liquidity. They're going to lock it for a year. They now own the majority of the supply of the Crow with Knife token. And this leads me to believe there's going to be an exchange listing potentially coming for Crow with Knife. Why? Because when it's just a meme token raised by a community and crypto.com and the VVS team have no idea who the holders are, who the people promoting this thing are, who the organic community is, where this thing's going to go. Well, now all of a sudden they're going to own $2 million worth of liquidity. So now that's a security blanket. They own the supply. It is more rug proof in a sense. And this could lead them, now that they have these partnerships, to potentially list this token. It's kind of exciting, guys. Now, what do I Now, I posted this video yesterday, guys. Needless to say, I was spot on, and that's awesome. But it's more awesome than being right is being in the money. Okay, guys, I hope you're in the money. I'm certainly in the money with this coin. I predicted that the DIP listing would come first, potentially. And then I also predicted that maybe CAW or they come at the same time. DIP hasn't gotten listed on crypto.com yet. I still think that it will. And I'm going to go through all of this. But even 3 days ago, you think, okay, well, you only put the video out yesterday. Even 3 days ago, I said the question, will crypto.com list CAW, Crow with Knife, Cronos Meme? That was 3 days ago. And guys, yeah, I predicted this exactly. I nailed the prediction. Oh, it's mooning right now. This is great. Okay, it's going to new highs, right? Right now, live on stream, everybody. That's just spectacular. So look, what I'm telling you is you see a Crow with Knife, what else we got? Crow with Knife. Let's see here. Crow with Knife, Bitmart listing. Where else do I have Crow with Knife? Got a lot of Crow with Knife videos in here, my friends. I've been talking about it for a very long while. Done quite a few of these Crow with Knife videos. And you guys had a chance to get in as long as a month ago. Now, if you did get into this token a month ago, well, congratulations, because you got in and you're already up 4 or 5x. So that's incredible. And the big question I have today for you guys, and go ahead and answer my question to you in the poll, is, okay, so this thing's at a $36 million market cap, and now has $4 million of liquidity. More liquidity is getting added. That's spectacular. $36 million market cap. Can this thing go to $1 billion? Now, very hard to do. And I'm not going to sit here and predict that it's going to $1 billion as much as everybody would want me to. But I will say that it's possible. It's unlikely for any meme to ever go to 1 billion. But how do you get a good chance of a coin to do that? Well, you need a strong community. Do we have that? Yes. The Curl with Knife community raised $37,000 on their own. A bunch of nobodies, just like me. I'm a nobody too. Just a bunch of regular people. Just a bunch of regular people raised $37,000 in under 24 hours to get the Bitmart exchange listing. There's $15 million, I think, of volume on this thing today, which is insane. $16 million worth of volume, you can see right here on this token today, which is incredible. And the community is raising money on their own. And then what happened is they made so much noise that VVS Finance partnered up with them. That's what this video was yesterday. Crow with Knife and VVS team up for this dip pre-sale. You could send CAW tokens to get access to this pre-sale. And I made a prediction, guys, and I said two things. One, yesterday, I said that I think this thing, at the very least, is going to break its highs, and I measured out this wedge. And what I said yesterday, it's fun to be right, guys. It's fun to be right, I'll tell you that, is that maybe this could be the breakout we're seeing. And guess what, guys? Not only do we see that breakout, but it went higher, mostly because we got listed by crypto.com. And then what happened? We retraced. Well, where did we retrace down to? Guys, we retraced back down to basically my target and bounced. I couldn't have called this thing any better. This is one of the best calls that I've ever made. And honestly, my crypto career, just in the short term, like I've had better X opportunities and all these things, but this play was so obvious to me. And it was so stressful watching people hate on the play in the comments. But I get it. Some people don't like meme tokens. We're at 111 viewers, by the way. That's a record for this stream. I've never had a live stream with over 111 viewers. And thanks to the, again, Crow with Knife community breaking records everywhere, here we are. But we're at 121 viewers and 29 likes. Guys, if you bought Crow with Knife and you're making money and we helped you find it, smash the like button for me. The number one thing you can do to support a YouTube channel, you know, I'm supporting the community. If you support this Crow with Knife coin, or you're excited today, or you like the content, just tap that like button for me. If you're watching a you're viewing a video that you like at any point in time, you should always tap the like button. It's free to do. It's easy to do. But I'm very proud of these targets that I had drawn out, and this thing is now making new all-time highs very soon. Hopefully, it's listed on crypto.com. Now let's talk a little bit about what happened today. So apparently, there was an issue with CDC. So they listed this thing. Here's how it played out, okay? So the DIP token launched, okay? And I predicted that Crow with Knife would go up because people would sell their DIP tokens for Crow with Knife and buy Crow with Knife with their DIP profits. That's exactly what happened. It went up immediately in the first hour, and then it absolutely crashed because people sold it for Crow with Knife. What I also predicted, though, is that DIP token would crash, and then it would have a big recovery. We're not seeing that recovery yet. But I do believe that the DIP token is going to see a recovery at some point, and I think that it's also going to get listed on crypto.com at some point. But my main focus is Crow with Knife, which is about to make new highs. The fact of the matter is this: DIP token would probably be irrelevant in my mind unless it associated itself with Crow with Knife. Well, now that it did, I think DIP token has a chance to actually succeed and have a friend of the Crow with Knife community. I bought about $2,600 worth of this DIP token. It's probably worth like $1,500 right now. It crashed significantly. I'm just holding it. I'm just going to hold it. I wasn't awake at this time to sell it. I was thinking about selling it, but honestly, I'm just going to hold it because I've got a huge Crow with Knife position, and I don't need to buy more Crow with Knife at this point because I'm a huge holder. I don't need more because I've got too much. It's by far and large the biggest coin in my portfolio right now. And that's a lot, but I'm holding because I could see a world where Crow with Knife goes to a $1 billion market cap, but I feel very confident that it could go to 100 million. I feel very confident it could go to 200 million. Could it go to 500 million? I really see that as a possibility. $1 billion is a stretch for any coin, but it's possible. And so I'm holding. It just got listed on crypto.com. Sometimes on an exchange listing, you see a crash. Well, we did get a crash, guys. We did get a crash. We got a listing. We got a pump. We got a crash. Can it keep going up? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. It's not the only one moving today. There's some others as well. Shout out to the Mary token community as well. This mystery coin has a recovery after a big sell-off the other day. You know, again, you buy red candles and you can get green candles after them. That's typically how it goes if you're buying a coin that has a strong community. But by far and large, guys, the strongest community is Crow with Knife. Now, let's talk about the dev putting out this in the Discord. Somebody asked, hey, dev, Space Soldier asked in the private, or in the Discord, it's a public Discord. Anybody can join the Discord. You guys, if you hold the token, you should be in the Discord. You should know what's going on. That's where you get the newest news, besides here on the channel. Somebody was asking, okay, so dev, Destruction, any info about CDC issue? Destruction said, the info is we're going to $1 billion market cap. And it's absolutely hilarious. He's a troll. It's the best. It's funny. He's a base dev. That's what you want to see. He's on it, always working hard, pushing the community. I think he's doing a tremendous job as kind of a figurehead, if you will. And he doesn't own a ridiculous amount of the supply either, which is good. He owns a lot, but not a ridiculous amount of supply. It's fair. It's fair wallet distributions for this token, which is why I like it at this point. And it's getting more and more easy to talk about the higher the market cap goes, because it got listed by crypto.com. It's more legitimate than it's ever been before. It's very, very exciting. Now, this red wick, what happened here? I think what happened, guys, is basically crypto.com did not have enough Crow with Knife tokens. And I think that crypto.com is buying Crow with Knife tokens so that they can offer more trading. Because, guys, the Crow with Knife token is, the whole supply is out. It's all in circulation. The whole supply is in circulation. So when exchanges want to list this thing, if they want to list it on their own without the community raising funds, they got to go buy. They have to cough up some money and buy. This token has $16 million worth of volume. Keep this in mind, too. If you look at the wallet distribution for this coin, guys, this is an entirely Crow with Knife stream. So smash the like button if you enjoy that, guys. We got 103 viewers, 57 likes. It's pretty good. Let's get those likes up. If you look at the holders and the distribution, oh, wow. Wait a minute. Who owns now 10% of the supply? Wait a minute. What happened? Wait a minute. Now who owns 10% of the supply? I'm so confused. Is there a whale that just came in and bought? Like, does anybody know what's going on with this? This is a brand new wallet. Maybe this is crypto.com and VVS now? I bet you it is. I bet you it is. I hope it is. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. So we'll see how that plays out. But, okay. So I think this is the dev right here, Destruction, with like 2.8% of the supply. And then we have a couple of the whales in there, right? And so pretty decent distribution on this token. That 10% is new to me. I got to look into that. I got to see what's going on with this. Actually, let me peek at this right now. What's going on? 43 billion was just bought. 109 billion was bought 40 seconds ago. Oh my gosh. Who is this? This is crazy, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see here. Look at all these transactions. Who is this? This is crazy. Does anybody have the scoop on this? Does anybody know what the heck is happening here? Who knows what's going on with this one? Shout out to Benny Blue Eyes. He's been a member on our channel for 15 months. He's still here because of me and Black Sea, which is great. You love the transparency. You love the willingness to teach on the full spectrum of knowledge. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. I'm going to look through some of the comments here, but what's going on? Who is this whale? Does anybody know what's going on right here? Is that the CDC team? That's awesome. If that's crypto.com, they own 10% of the supply. That's super bullish. That's so great. Congratulations, everybody. You're making money on this token still. That's just awesome. Yeah, but this is great. You know, can we hit $1 billion market cap? I don't know, but I do expect for dip, you know, people wondering what they're doing with their dip. Look, you could sell it and do whatever you want with it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it until I'm in, you know, in the mud. I'm just going to hold it. I think it's going to get listed on crypto.com at some point. And I got enough Crow with Knife. So, but also more news for, it's not just an exchange listing today. They also took the throne again. VVS Finance had a vote. What's the #1 meme on Cronos? It's voted every single time. It's Crow with Knife, Crow with Knife, Crow with Knife. If you don't know it by now, well then frankly, you missed your best chance to make 100x gains. But the question is, and on the thumbnail I have it, can we have 30x gains? And the truth is it's possible. It's possible. It's very possible. Is it likely? No, it's never likely for a meme token to hit $1 billion, but it's possible. It's possible. I'm going to take profit on the way up. There's no doubt about it. I haven't taken any profit yet. I sold $1,000 worth to actually like the other 2 weeks ago, which is a very small portion of my Crow with Knife portfolio, because I needed some money and I put it on my crypto.com Visa card. But I'm holding, guys. We have 122 viewers and 64 likes. Do me a favor and smash that like button. There's no reason we shouldn't have over 100 likes on this video. You know, if you made any money watching some of the content and you've enjoyed some of the price action that we've got to experience together on all these coins, and you're making money, you can give back by just supporting the channel with a simple like. You don't have to become a member. You can become a member. You can join us in our private Discord in the links down below. You can sign up for Femex as well if you want to leverage trade, but, you know, smash the like button at the very least. That's the least you can do to support any YouTuber that you like. Very easy to do. You X out of the live chat and you smash the like button, friends. So let's turn on some tunes and let's do some questions. I'm going to go in and let's talk. Let's hang out. All right. We got 128 viewers, 69 likes. Get those likes up, y'all. Let's see what everybody's saying in the chat today. Happy Friday, Servando. Happy Friday, everybody. WCB JJ77 says, took some profits on CAW. Hey, make that money. RJM says, I submitted all my CAW to help out the LP and I'm stuck with dip that keeps going down. Oh, RJ, that's a tough situation. Ooh, that's a tough situation. I can't give you good advice on that one. That's a tricky situation. I donated probably 10% of my profits for Crow with Knife. Is about what I did. Not 10% of my overall bag, but I donated about 10% of my profits to the LP. RJ, you might have to just stick it out and wait for... Ooh, that's tough. That's tough, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Ronnie Gabrielle says, should I buy or is it too late? Look, any crypto you're buying, guys, don't invest more than you're willing to lose, especially a meme token. But if you're asking me if I think this thing still has more upside, I believe the answer is yes. But if you're FOMOing into giant green candles, then technically you're doing it entirely wrong. And so, you know, but I think new buyers are coming regardless. People FOMO into crypto. You can't stop people from FOMOing in. I think people are going to keep buying this. I could be wrong, but this breakout is significant. It looks like CDC now owns 10% of the supply, and I think it's going to get crazier. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. So is that Georgiev? Is that the CDC hot wallet? CDC users addresses? So now people that are buying... Here's the thing, guys. For Crow with Knife, there are 8,700 addresses, okay? 8,700 holders. But now, you look at the holders, 10% of the supply is now owned by the CDC hot wallet. What does this mean? So this is all the people out of the 80 million users on crypto.com. They all now have the ability to buy this on the main app. If they don't use DeFi, they don't know about DeFi. Now it's listed. Now it gets a free advertisement from the CDC main app. And those people have already gobbled up 10% of the whole supply. This is so awesome. 80 million users. How many of these people are going to buy Crow with Knife? Not all 80 million, but a million? 1/80th? You know, 160th? I don't know. 500,000 people? That's a lot of holders that could come to this thing. This could be, and I was going to talk about this. Guys, the truth is honestly, I think this is much more significant than Corgi AI. I said it. I think this is more significant than Corgi AI. I'm a Cronos influencer. I've been doing videos on the Cronos chain for 2 years. 2 years I've been doing videos on Cronos. Not because I'm sponsored by them, not because of anything. I own a lot of Cronos coins because I just believe in the crypto.com brand. I believe in the marketing. I believe in the regulatory compliance they have. I believe in a lot of things about crypto.com, and so I believe in the Cronos chain. Corgi AI was the most successful meme that the Cronos chain has ever seen. It's down about 50% from its highs. It went up to like a point something billion market cap, and it did not nearly have as much excitement surrounding it. In my opinion, compared to Crow with Knife, the community is much stronger for Crow with Knife. If you didn't know it, Crow with Knife is also, the people that created it, they were one of the first NFTs on the Cronos chain as well. So it's got a lot of history. I don't even really know the origin story of Corgi AI too much, but I know the story with Crow with Knife, and I know a lot of people do. And we have a bull market coming, and so the timing for the pump on this coin is beautiful. It's possible this thing could reach a $1 billion market cap, but I'm not going to wait until a $1 billion market cap to take some profit. You know, and oh, I'm sorry. Hey, Brandy Lion just gifted 5 Crypto Report memberships. Shout out to Brandon, the trash trader, making that money and giving back to the community. Shout out to you, brother. You are a legend, and congratulations to all the new members on this channel that just got that gifted membership. Shout out to, who do we got? All the new members. I don't see who just got the member. There we go. Shout out to Chris. Shout out to Georgiev. Shout out to Tennessee Eco Man and Terry C and Ant Crow with another gifted membership. Let's go back to Crow with Knife here, because that's the story of the day. But anyway, yeah, guys, I think this is exciting. This is very exciting. Okay. All right. Let's see what other questions we got. 140 viewers, 79 likes, guys. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, guys. I'm doing 5 videos every single day. 2 shorts, 3 long form videos. Me and my partner Black Sea talking about crypto.com, talking about Bitcoin, talking about Solana, talking about stacks, talking about Bitcoin DeFi, talking about runes, talking about anything and everything that we think we can make money on. None of it's financial advice, but let me know, guys. Do you believe that Crow with Knife can reach a $1 billion market cap? If there's any new news coming out, let me know. And by the way, I haven't even talked about this yet. We just got a crypto.com exchange listing. I don't know any facts on this yet, guys, but I do believe that there's another major exchange listing coming. Especially now that crypto.com listed it, we could have a couple major exchanges start listing this token. If you think the volume's big now, just wait. If we get more exchange listings, it could get better. Now, I'm not trying to get anybody FOMO into this, right? You don't want to FOMO into coins, but if you've got zero exposure and you want some and you're, you know, putting in, don't put in more than you're willing to lose, right? Like, I think there's more upside. I got in very early. I predicted a lot of these things. Go back to the beginning of my video and go to my video yesterday. I predicted all this. I predicted all of it. And you know, I got some of my friends in on these things, and we're making money so far, so we'll see. I also like Welsh on stacks. That hasn't done it yet, but I'm still bullish on that. I'm bullish on a lot of things, guys. There's a lot of great plays. What else we got? The market cap is still not verified on CMC. If market cap gets verified on CMC, then we coin market cap, then we can see it trending at like the top, which would be awesome. When a token gets to be advertised up here, guys, then you got a lot more volume coming. People start to buy some of these things that get advertised here. You know, so you're going to want to see that at some point. And I think we're on track to see something like that play out. And here we are about to break new highs live on stream. That's awesome, guys. That's just awesome. I'm just looking through the chats right now. RJAM, oh man, hang in there, brother. I hope it plays out for you. I hope this dip token comes back for you. I think it's going to, but you know, it's that's a tough situation. I can't even begin to give you advice on that. I just rip. Oh gosh. Good luck. Just good luck, man. I do think it's gonna come back, but like, I'm not saying much more than that on it. All I did was contribute to the cause, and I got like $2,500 that I invested in there. That's now probably worth like $1,000. Yeah. I mean, going all in was like, yeah, I wasn't going to surrender my Crow with Knife bags. I believed in Crow with Knife too much. Guys, we got 138 viewers and only 83 likes. Guys, you got to get people in the chat. Tell them to smash the like button. You got to smash the like button. I want to make this the biggest live stream our channel's ever had. look, we're talking about this coin, and there's a community that's strong here. I know you guys can tap that like button. Shout out to Brandon, the Trash Trader. Thanks for that gifted membership, and congratulations to all the new members. Get into that private Discord. Now that you're a member, you can link your Discord to the YouTube, and you can get in to that private Discord. General Scarborough says, Kip, you have a nice bag. I do, General. I do. Oster says, Welsh, still bullish on Welsh. Not the topic of the day, though. Still bullish on Welsh. It's just not, it's time yet. Simon Kelly, what a move by CAW. We got the Croak fam in the chat. Croak, are you con? Chris Gomez says, I'm that whale. I love it. I love it. CAW price prediction, please. I mean, the moon, of course. No, guys, I don't know. 100 million is coming at some point, I think. I think it's going to get to $100 million market cap. And if it does, I'm going to be very happy. Simon Kelly says, will CDC not just suck it dry? If you mean like pump it, I think they'll more so pump it than dump it, because they locked that liquidity, guys. And it's not like they're going to buy to dump on the holders. Like, they're not doing that. Like, there's going to be people that buy to dump. But, you know, crypto.com is a long-term play. They want this thing to succeed at this point. They voted. They said, okay, hey, VVS, you're going to do a new pre-sale. You're going to launch the DIP token. You're going to get the cost supply. We're going to launch it on the app. We're going to get the liquidity pool. We're going to earn the fees. We're going to get more excitement to the chain. We're going to engage with this meme coin ecosystem that's thriving on our chain. And we're going to grow our chain from a dead chain to a degen chain where people make a ton of money. And I think that's the strategy they have going on. At this point, crypto.com wants this coin to succeed. I'm convinced of it now more than ever before. Mr. Wright says, wait for a pullback. Waiting for a pullback is never a bad idea. You know, sure, you know, it's tricky. It's tricky. Deputy Dog says, don't FOMO in a car right now. People are FOMOing in a car right now, and it's looking like it's going to break out some more. But at some point, like, I wouldn't be surprised to get a big reckoning, and let's look back, actually. So, but even if we get a big reckoning, I still think this thing's going to 100 million. I think it could go to 200 million. It could go to $1 billion market cap, just like Corgi AI did. At the end of the day, I do think it's more exciting than Corgi AI. Look at the chart for Corgi AI real quick, okay? And see what's going on. And let's look back at the history. I think that, and can anybody verify for me, what date was Corgi AI listed on crypto.com? Because I think the answer, friends, I think the answer is back in November. And so if that's what we're looking at, then essentially this move right here, okay, breaking out from the previous highs, that this move right here is essentially, okay, that move right there is essentially this move right here, okay? And so when you zoom out, oh boy, when you zoom out on Corgi AI, and you see that this, right, is probably equivalent to what's going on with Corgi right now. This thing had another 6x in it. And the market cap of this thing was much bigger around this time frame, I believe, right? Because, yeah, I mean, the market cap's way smaller for this coin, too. So, yeah, it's interesting. We're at the beginning stages of the new hot meme on Cronos, and here it is. Trying to break new highs. Trying to break new highs. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Oh my good golly gosh. 143 viewers, only 93 likes. What are you done? What are you done? You gotta smash the like button, my friends. Tap the like button. It helps the channel, guys. If you like the pump, show me with that like button, friends. I can't give a crow price prediction. Up over time. Bull market just getting started. Take profits if you make life-changing money. And keep a little bit for the moon bags. I've not taken any massive profits yet. I might take some profits around 100 million. Pay off all my debts and keep going. I don't know. I'm going to play it by ear. We'll see. The dev says he's going to dump it all at $1 billion. So he's like, we're going to $1 billion. He says, send it to zero at $1 billion. I don't know what he's going to do. I don't think he has the power to send it to zero anymore. Now crypto.com and people own, 10, 20% of the supply. It's crazy. We got 152 viewers, guys. Pat yourselves on the back. This is a record-breaking stream. We have never had this many viewers on a stream, and thanks to you guys. Thanks to Crow with Knife community. Thanks to crypto.com. They are engaging in facilitating this meme coin mania that's been going on in their ecosystem, and they've been doing a great job with it, really. There were some concerns about CROB and it being propped up by the centralized entity that is Cronos, but in the end, they came through. I couldn't care about CROB. I just don't care about CROB. It's not an organic token. It was propped up by Cronos Labs. I think it'll do well, but I just don't care about it. And that's just me speaking frankly. I'm not going to buy CROB. I'm just not going to buy it. There is no world where percentage gains, CROB outperforms Crow with Knife at this point. I don't believe that at all. If we can get this stream, and I've got like 15 minutes left. If we can get this stream to 500 viewers, I'll give away $1,000 worth of Crow with Knife. And I promise you guys, regardless, if we don't get to 500 viewers, I will still give away $100 worth of... Actually, I was going to give $100 worth of dip and CAW. I'm going to give $200 to 2 people of CAW, even if we don't get there. But if we get to 500 viewers in the next 15 minutes, because I got to go, then I will go ahead and I'll give away $1,000 worth of Crow with Knife. I'll give it away to one of you guys in this chat. But we got to get to 500 viewers in the next 15 minutes. I'm going to challenge you guys. More giveaways to come. I got to build my bags up so I can get a little more generous. All right. That's the biggest giveaway I have ever done. If you guys achieve it, now I know how strong you guys are. I know what you're capable of. If you get me to 500 viewers, then I know what you're capable of, my friends. But yeah, I do think some more exchange listings are very possible for this coin, my friends. So we'll just keep an eye on it. I'm going to zoom in on this because honestly, these old prices are long gone. This stuff, I believe that all these prices back here that we were talking about for so long, this giant wedge that we finally broke out of, you can kiss all these prices goodbye. I don't think that we are coming back down here for a very long time, if ever again. Now that crypto.com's in it, it's a whole new ball game, my friends. But we could certainly, spill back. We could certainly spill back for a period of time. And, but it doesn't look like that's happening. We could certainly spill back a little bit, but I don't think we're going to test down below these red lines. I'm going to keep them there. I don't think we're going to, and if we did, we'd test them at the very best. But more so, I guess, at this point, I'd be looking at like some kind of line like this. Something like that, probably. We got 153 viewers, 117 likes, guys. That's pretty good. If you can tap a couple more likes, then maybe Crow with Knife can pump to the next high. Yeah, so Pete J says, talk about the $2 million in liquidity being locked for 12 months. So $2 million of this liquidity, give or take, is going to be locked for 12 months, which means crypto.com is guaranteed not going to sell $2 million worth of this liquidity, you know, for 2 months. It's great. I mean, we have a lot of liquidity. $4 million liquidity for an $38 million market cap. The only reason this thing's able to go to $38 million market cap is arguably because liquidity is so strong. It's got $16.9 million worth of volume. That's spectacular. That's insane. It's awesome. In fact, if you look at that compared to like Corgi AI, let's actually see what the volume is on Corgi AI. Only 94K volume on Corgi AI. Only $1.5 million worth of liquidity for a $588 million token. Guys, Crow with Knife is the new star of Cronos. It's official. Crow with Knife is the new celebrity on Cronos, and frankly, I'm all about it. I'm all about it, and I'm frankly all in. I mean, I sold 300,000 Crow coins to get into Crow with Knife a while ago, and it's going well. And to all the people that criticize me in the comments, it's okay. I told you so. That's fine. Oh, man. It's funny. It's funny. Oh, man. Ooh, baby. My monkey doesn't sing says, I got in when you were on vacation talking about it. Then you, my friend, got in low. General Scarborough's having a crab boil this weekend. Love it. Oh, man, guys, I wish I could hang out for longer. We have 172 viewers. That's pretty good. If you get to 500 in the next, like, you got like 10 minutes. I'll do a $1,000 Crow with Knife giveaway. You get us to 500 on this stream, and I will do a $1,000 Crow with Knife giveaway. Happily to one of you guys. Happily. But I got to make it tough. I got to make it tough because $1,000 is a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Whether you think so or not. All right, Five Guys says, I haven't seen you caw on stream yet. Well, guess what? If this thing wicks here above this, guess what? You'll see that caw. And I caught earlier on the stream. I opened the stream. Go back to the beginning. I caught on the beginning of the stream. Give me an all-time high right now, and I will caw so hard on the stream, I'll blow your eardrums off. Christian says, CDC still pumping it with the hot wallet. Somebody explain to me what a hot wallet is. I don't know everything. Somebody tell me, what's this deal with this hot wallet? What are you saying to me? Are you saying users are buying? Is crypto.com buying? What's a hot wallet? What does that mean? Oh my gosh. Tucker Carlson? Oh no. Oh no. If this thing all-time highs here on stream, I will caw so hard. Al, you're welcome. Look, I've got no affiliations. I've got no partnerships. I've got no sponsorships. Unless I tell you, and we've done like 1 or 2 sponsored videos. And I put it, there's a little warning banner, and I don't do them unless we do, and we'll tell you, I have no sponsorships. I'm just a guy that bought the coin. Why am I doing videos on it all the time? Because I'm personally excited about it. I believe in it. I believe in Cronos. I've been talking about this for years, 2 years, 3,300 videos worth of Crow content, and then Crow with Knife came along. Of course, I'm going to support my own ecosystem. I love the ecosystem. I love the Crow fam. I can't support every single token on the ecosystem. Some of them are rugs. I'm not going to say which ones I think are or think aren't. Some are. I almost got on 1 or 2 of them. Cut my losses on some of them and ran. It's the dangerous part about memes, my friends, but Caw's making it. Denise Garcia, how about 1,000 divided by all history? I can't. Look, I will give away. Let's see here. How can I do a giveaway? All right. Here's what I'm going to do. First off, I will call on stream live if we get to this high, and it looks like it's coming. But let me tell you this as well. I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give away $200 worth of Crow with knife. And I'm going to do it to 2 people. And here's how we're going to do it. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoKipTweets, and DM me if you win with your Cronos wallet address, okay? And don't try to DM me if you didn't win. Don't cheat. I'll catch you. Don't cheat. If you win, you win. But I'm going to do a pop quiz. All right? I'm going to ask you guys 2 questions. First person to get the answer right will get $100 worth of Crow with Knife token. All right? So throw a 1 in the chat when you're ready for the first question. Throw a 1 in the chat when you're ready for the first question. I'm going to give away $100. You got to follow me on Twitter, and you're going to DM me there, and we'll interact on Twitter, and I'll send you $100 worth of Crow with Knife. Send a 1 in the chat if you're ready, and smash the like button too. We passed all-time high? No, we didn't. Are you serious? Not yet. Not yet. We're getting close. We're getting close. All right, are you guys ready? Now, this is tricky. You're going to be at a disadvantage if you haven't been a subscriber to our channel. So just a warning, if you don't know me, and you don't know this channel, and you don't know me, you're not going to get rewarded here. But if you're loyal, and you follow us, and we're going to do more giveaways, I think this is a fun way. I'm going to give you a quiz. A quiz on me. I'm going to ask you a question. Person to get the answer right gets $100 worth of Crow. I'm going to do 2 questions about me. You guys are ready. Got a lot of ones in the chat. First question. First question. How do I phrase this? How do I make it tricky? What is coming up in my life that is the most significant thing that's ever happened to me in the month of September? That's the question. That's the question. What is the most significant thing that's ever happened in my life that's coming up in September? You know I have holes in my socks. Oh, Servando Estrada. You are the winner, my friend. Baby girl born, Servando Estrada. Oh, everybody was so close. Servando. Oh, I'm glad it was you. That's a name I know. My guy. That is loyalty, my friends. He knows me. He subscribed. You must DM me, my friend. I can't wait to give you $100 for the Crow with Knife. That's awesome. Okay. Awesome. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Oh, I gotta go soon. All right, one more. One more. Smash the like button. This is fun. Okay. That's awesome. That's great job, everybody. I got married last year in August. My wife and I are having a baby girl. For those of you guys that don't know, I think we actually locked in on a name, but I can't say it out loud. I don't know. She's probably getting excited that I said that on stream if she's listening right now. I don't know. We got to figure it out, honey. We're close. I think we're getting close. Wait, was he her? Who was first? Was it Servando? BSS says he was first. No, you were not first, my friend. Oh, wait a minute. No, you were second, Servando. You were second. You were so close, BSS. You were second. I got Servando in the chat first. I got Servando in the chat first. Okay, second question. Just guessing Italian, all the... okay, I had a second question. What was the second question I had? shoot. I gotta think of the second. I had a great second question for you guys too. It was a personal question. Let me think. I got one more. Congratulations, Servando Estrada. Congratulations, Servando Estrada. PSS, there will be more. You were so close. Shoot, what was the other one that I wanted to ask you guys? I had another great question for you. Well, we're hanging out. No pressure. I want to think of it, though, because I had another great question. Let me think. All right. I've got it. This is not the question I was originally thinking of, but... Oh, man. Mrs. Crypto Kip is in the chat, and you know what? I was going to do that question, but I can't do that question now. I was going to ask, what's my wife's favorite meal? All right. I can't do it. It's not the question. Because then I gotta announce it. I gotta go like 3, 2, 1. It's a great question. But it's not that actually. All right, you know what? Here, $50 giveaway. I'll do one more. So I'm gonna do $250 giveaway in total. $50 giveaway. What's my wife? Oh, never mind. She put the answer in. Chicken piccata. Never mind. Okay. Oh, you took the question, sweetie. It was a good question. You were right. That was exactly another one. I had another good one. Shoot. That's funny. Mrs. Crypto Kip in the chat. Oh boy, what else do I have? I had another great question for you guys, and I gotta go soon. Oh yeah. All right, I got it. You ready, guys? Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready for the next question. Again, you should be subscribed to this channel, so then you know how to get these answers right, okay? Put a 1 in the chat if you're ready. Mrs. Crypto Kip wins. She gets a date tonight. She's gonna get caught. Oops. All right, you ready? We got 1s in the chat. All right, guys. I have a YouTube channel. Here we go. Al, you don't want to stick around for the giveaway? Thanks for tuning in. I have a YouTube channel. You know this. And here's the question. But I also have a day job. What do I do for a living? What do I do for a living? What's my job? I'm waiting. Who knows? Oh, Servando Estrada! No way! He got it! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. That's it, guys. Servando Estrada's like a lightning guy. He got it. It was Servando Estrada again. I sell insurance, guys. This is a fair thing, but Servando, you're just a slayer, man. Unbelievable. And Johnny Sevenfold says caw for 2 hours a day. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Servando Estrada, congratulations, my friend. I'm giving you $200 for the Crow with Knife token. I'm That's unreal. That is unreal, my friend. Nice work. Unbelievable. A lot of people were close. Very close. Oh man. Oh my gosh, you guys are unbelievable. These guesses are hilarious. House rehabber, Cliche Cat says, I would love to be a house rehabber. That would be a lot of fun. Wow. That was awesome, guys. Oh my gosh. He got that 5G internet. Oh, the goat. Oh, that was funny. That was funny. Grubhub driver. Oh, no. All right, guys. Oh, man. Servando Estrada. He's fast. He's fast. He's loyal. Now, look, guys. That was fun. We'll do more giveaways. I'll do some for some of the newer people as well so that everybody has a chance. We'll do more in the future. But $200 is a lot for a giveaway. I sell group health plans to employers. But I'm not going to dox myself, so I'm not going to tell you my company and all that. But, you know, group health plans to employers. But I actually do have an event for work that I got to go to right now. So, Servando's the man. Yeah, DM me on Twitter, Servando, and send me your address. And I will go ahead and send you some later today at some point. I'll hook you up. We'll give you $200 worth of Crow with knife token. Nice work. Nice work. But go ahead, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. Become a member as well, and join us in our private Discord. And that was fun. That was a lot of fun. I had a good time with that. Once we hit an all-time high after the stream ends, make a quick short coin. We gotta get this high up. We gotta go. This thing's gotta go up so I can caw and end the stream. I'll tell you. Blessings to you, John. Appreciate that. Cliche Cat says this was fun. It was fun. It was fun. Servando Estrada is the big winner. Patrick says, what's the music? I love it. Just search 5 hours Deep House Lounge Beach Bar Club Mix or something on YouTube, and it's copyright-free music. Crypto Kip caw for us? Well, I need this high. I promise you guys, if we get the high, I'll give you a caw. Give me the high, I give you the caw. All-time high is not here. Not yet. We are so close. Man, look at the... See, all of a sudden, Crypto.com listing and a lot of green candles, guys. That is what the exchange listings do for you. Black Sea for president. All right, guys. I gotta go, but I think Kaw's gonna make some new highs. So, baby, let's make some money, guys. Please be careful. Have fun. What a success for the Cronos community. Had to give you guys at least one Kaw on stream. Very exciting day. Congratulations to everybody that's making money today. Congratulations to Servando Estrada for that $200 giveaway and Crow with Knife tokens. 2 for 2 on the questions. Fast on the trigger. You guys have a chance next time. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, become a member if you can, guys. To support the channel for more content. I'll see you in the Discord. I'll see you in the Crow with Knife Discord. I'll see you on Twitter, guys. Follow me on Twitter. Servando, DM me. I'll give you $200 worth of Crow with Knife because you're a big winner today. That's all I got, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content. And as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in... Is this going to a new high right now? The next one. I'll see you in the next one. Just special like, guys. I'll see you next time. See y'all.